Here's this week's update of my 1970 TransAm clone, Rustomod, remanufactured with 21st century goodies. 525 horse LS3, bolted to a 6L ADE transmission. Most all the plumbing has been finished since it has been out and driving around the block several times, so transmission, gas, brakes, all that good stuff works. AC heater all tested, pressure tested, connected up. Door latches. The big change is the brown racing seats have been installed with 6-point harnesses all routed. And also has 3-point factory belts, so it will meet comfort and convenience federal specs. Brand new belts from Crow Safety Gear. We got a boot, factory boot for the shifter, so I'm waiting for a couple other parts before we can install it. The filler plates blended in nicely with all of the other black paint and powder coating. Here's another one of the powder coated trim pieces have been installed. And here we got the lock and the door handle all powder coated. Passenger side just hasn't been installed yet. Looks pretty nice. The car has been taken around the block a couple times, and they keep promising me that it was videotaped, but I haven't gotten a copy of the videotape yet. As soon as I do, I will include it in a weekly video on YouTube. And I don't know if you can see it, put in some noise insulation in the door. Try to make it a little bit quieter. And here's the driver's seat. All 6-point belts wrapped and ready to go. Sounds like it needs some tightening, but they were just installed, so I need to check to make sure they added some backing plates underneath just in case. And more wiring for the power windows and power door locks. boot for the wiring to the door. Beginning to look more and more like a real car. There's some bonus material. SS Camaro, looks like maybe a first gen. I'm not an expert. Bronco. Getting goodies.